Hello people, this is Harsha and welcome to my channel. I make videos on education, career, lifestyle and most importantly on learning. My long-term vision is to expand the curiosity in education between the age groups of 16 to 25 so that we all can become the change makers of the country. So if you're new to my video, if you're new to my channel, please watch the whole video completely. This video is going to be useful and please consider subscribing. So without wasting a second, let's get started. So this topic is primarily important to everyone because it deals with something called routine. We all have experienced a similar pattern. I would discuss this pattern in three stages. First, getting excited to make a plan. Two, writing everything or scheduling everything, discussing with everyone. Three, doing for the first 3 days and from the fourth day failing from the plan and getting aborted. This is the basic thing for 75% of the people across the world. They get so much excited for doing a great habit or learning or excited for a good routine, but they do it only for the first 1 week or the first 10 days and they stop it because they failed for the 11th day or the 12th day or the second day itself. So first thing, understand why we should follow a routine. Imagine this is a great universe. This is a universe. Every day sun rises in the east and sun sets. Every day in the night moon comes. Yes or no? They are absolutely selfless in following the routine. Sun never denies a single day. Yeah, it'll be like, today I'm exhausted so I don't come in the morning. What happens? What if sun don't comes the next day morning? So if thinking of that scares you a lot because it can never happen because sun is so determined to follow its routine. That is why it is so successful. That is why if a person is successful, we compare him to the sun because he is so strong and is so determined. Getting me? So that is why following a routine makes your personality more dynamic. For example, you decided a plan and if you fail for the next, you do it for the 3 days and you failed for the fourth day, what do you feel about yourself? You feel that you are procrastinating a lot, you make a lot of blames on yourself, you feel disappointed, you get a lot of mental unhappiness. This is what we all experience if we don't fall into the right place for doing a routine. So I will in this video discuss 3 tips that would help you to follow your routine or to make a great routine. Even I am so much into this thing because I have done so many practices, so many methods, and now I'm into a current new method which I'm going to share with you because it's helping me a lot, so that why not it may become a beneficial factor for you also. So the first tip, start small. This is the first lesson I have learned. You see, whenever we fall into making a great habit, we think that we should start from the biggest thing. Yeah, today I have to do 100 push-ups. Today I have to do this thing. Today I have to break a world record. What world record? You're not even fit for anything right now. You have to do something that excites you, not something that gives you a tough call on your body or on your mind. The day by day practice will improve always, but don't make it to the first day itself. Okay? Because majority of times we get influenced by others. Why not that guy can do that girl can do, why not I? This kind of determination is not required in the first day. This is to be required only if you are a master in that field. If you are a beginner, you just need to enjoy what you're doing. Getting me? 2. Start doing what you know or start doing what you feel that you can do it. I can show you an example. I have read many books, I have read many articles, or saw many YouTube videos where they say that billionaires have a habit of getting at 5 a.m. in the morning or getting up at 4 a.m. in the morning. So I started to get up at 5 a.m. in the morning so that it would change my personality. In return, what happened is it disturbed my sleep cycle. Everything changed. I mean, I used to sleep at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., I used to get up at 5 a.m. So the day would be so worse that I don't even need to express what I am feeling right now on that day. Because if anyone calls you in the day, you get so angry, so agitated because you didn't have proper sleep. So sleep is necessary. Don't get influenced, don't get conditioned by others. That is not at all needed in making your routines or habits. It should excite you day by day. That is what a routine is all about. So that is tip number 2. And this tip, third tip, this is important because majority of people take it light, but this is the most important thing. Track, track, and track. As there's a popular saying, if you don't track yourself, if you don't track your past, if you don't correct your mistakes, you don't make a step ahead into the future. Don't sit in the past or don't worry about the past, but please correct the mistakes in the past because that is the stepping stone for your future. So when you're tracking your habits, when you're tracking how you're doing, what you're eating, what you're talking, what you're thinking, every track will help you to form a better routine. You can understand when you talk to yourself, you can understand what is your mindset. When you understand your mindset, you can understand your passion. When you understand your passion, you can form a growth mindset. What is growth mindset? A mindset that eventually will lead to a successful person. Simple. We are just teenagers right now. I'm 19 and you must be also around 16 to 25. So if you're watching this video, you should have a mindset that would help you to grow, that would help others to grow along with yourself. A selfish growth is never required to any one of us. Even it gives a 10 crore, 100 crore, 1000 crores, we don't require us. Okay. We require a proper healthy life with a growth of yourself along with the growth of others. The growth of others is always the growth of yourself. So following a routine is not just for yourself. Following a routine creates an aura because you yourself, your body is your mini universe. You have a sun, you have a moon inside your heart, you have a Neptune, you have a Mars inside every organ. You have a Milky Way in your body itself. So that is why you should understand your body, you should understand your sleep cycle, why you should sleep, why you should get up early, why you should sleep early, or many things. Without finding a reason, don't just influence. If I'm saying don't just follow it blindly, you just try to find out more and more, try to find researches, try to find explanations so that it could weigh a higher balance on your work. The thing is, ultimately, you have to succeed in your life no matter what. But this success or this thing or this journey should not create a pressure on your life or on a burden or your own personality. It is a free flow, excited state. We should all enjoy the mini universe inside our body every day, every night, every morning. So this is what you have to do. If you have a successful routine, you make a great personality. If you make a great personality, every interview you go, crack. You definitely crack it. Because people require, the HRs, the CEO level, the organizational level require people who thinks in a way that the organization develops, who has a great routine, who has got a great personality. Understand? That is why you all require it. Okay? So if you like this video, if you want to subscribe this channel, please subscribe and share this channel to people who may find it helpful, because helping others is helping yourself in the long run. So thank you so much for watching the whole video completely. Love you. See you. Bye.